Hello and welcome to another episode. Hey foodies, today we're diving into a culinary delight that's both light and bursting with flavor. Join me as I show you how to whip up a zesty shrimp and pomelo salad that's sure to impress. Here is a list of the ingredients. Kind of a baby dried shrimp. We'll get a closer look at that. And I'm using a spoonful. Next we have a tablespoon of sliced shallots, 1 red chili finely sliced, that's optional, you can use less or more, 1 teaspoon of Thai chili paste. I have a video on this in the Thai playlist. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. In most of the Thai recipes where there's lime juice and fish sauce, they will be of equal portions. Palm sugar or brown sugar, I'm using a teaspoon. 1 to 2 stalks of green onions sliced, and I'm using the pomelo. This is about a cup of honey pomelo, and once again some shrimps. For the dressing we'll be using the sugar, the lime juice, the fish sauce, the Thai chili paste, giving them a mix in a bowl and setting it aside. We'll add in the fish sauce and the lime juice. The sugar and the chili paste. Give that a mix. It's important to taste as you go, but I'm going to set this aside and work on the shrimps. And all we need is to put a saucepan on the stove with a bit of water and boil the shrimp. So let's add some salt to this. About a good teaspoon. Okay, after 2 minutes, it's good. So after about 2 minutes, or when the shrimps are fully cooked, place them into some ice water to cool them down and drain them once they are cool. With preparation time aside, now it's so easy and quick to make and assemble the salad. Pomelo, green onions in, sliced shallots, the dried shrimps, red chili to taste, and of course your drained and patted dry shrimps. Give your dressing a quick mix and add the dressing to the salad. Mix gently, but mix well. And as you see, that's the perfect amount of dressing for the salad. Let's do a simple presentation. And as always, take a closer look. And so there you have it, our refreshing shrimp and pomelo salad. A perfect blend of flavors and textures that's simple to make, yet so satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments how your salad turned out. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.